Hey guys, welcome to another Yardie Belly video special. Yes, this is the wifey, and I am pretty much here picking up Joshua. He is at the park. Well, he was at the park playing basketball, and yeah, there he is coming. Big ball, I would say. Remember to tell you that. Alright, but the whole issue about this evening is that he should be super hungry and super tired and probably willing to eat a horse right now if offered. So there's this comparison video that we always wanted him to do, and are you up for it? He said good evening.
Good evening. Yeah.
Are you up for the challenge? Not a challenge, but the comparison video. So he's gonna be comparing two chicken sandwich from two different popular fast food restaurants. So you have to stick and stay to see what they are and see his reaction, because it's about to go down. Yeah.
Okay, so we're at Popeye's now, and we're about to order the spicy chicken sandwich they have from the drive-thru. In a second, at least. Just gonna show you guys how it looks all the way around the Popeye's. So the drive-thru is empty for this one, but it still probably tastes pretty good.
Hi, good afternoon. Can I get one of your spicy chicken sandwich, the meal? What happened, drink?
Fries and Sprite.
Sprite. No, Sprite.
Just say that.
Okay, yeah. French fries, yes.
Anything else for you today?
And I'll take a fish sandwich.
Fish sandwich also?
So, guys, we got our Popeye's food, and my mom ordered a fish sandwich because she's not eating any meat. But they have fries. Now I'm gonna go to Macdonald's and order their new sandwich. So, see you there. Okay guys, so we're at McDonald's now, and now we're going to order the chicken sandwich.
Hello?
Hello, can I be?
I would like to order your new spicy chicken sandwich.
You want the sandwich or the meal?
Just a sandwich. Spicy, crispy chicken sandwich.
Okay.
So we got the McDonald's, and now I'm gonna go home and try both of them and tell you guys which one is the better chicken sandwich.
What kind of sauce you want?
Sweet and sour sauce.
Can we have sweet and sour and ketchup sauce? And ketchup sauce.
You said what?
Can we have sweet and sour and ketchup sauce? Thank you. I'm not confused the different restaurant offers.
Where's the bag for this one?
Wait. That's it, thank you.
Okay guys, so we made it home and we have both of our sandwiches. You can see the McDonald's bag says crispy chicken sandwich, the new crispy chicken sandwich. And the Popeye's bag just has a lot of different drawings and stuff like that for Popeyes. Okay, the Popeye's chicken sandwich bag. And the McDonald's chicken sandwich bag is very similar to Chick-fil-A, and they both have like the inside is like of it is aluminum or something like that, as you can see. And with Popeyes, we also got like some fries. We ate some of it, and my mom is over there eating a fish sandwich. And these are the Popeye sauces. Ketchup and sweet heat, a very good sauce. And for McDonald's, we have, this is from Popeyes. From McDonald's, we have sweet and sour. So these are the two sauces. I like sweet heat better, but the sweet and sour is still pretty good. And we also have ketchup. So let me get a sandwich here to eat the sandwich on. So let's take out the Popeye sandwich. And you can see from our older videos that the Popeye sandwich is still humongously large. And they put a gigantic chicken breast in the center of like 2 brioche buns. You can see the insides. They have like the spicy sauce they use. Always gotta check the inside of these because you never know what these people be doing with your food. So you can see they have the 2 pickles. And the inside of the sandwich always looks like that. You put the pickles back in it. And if you don't like pickles, you can ask for your pickles off. But this is the Popeye sandwich, humongous. Okay, so time to try this. Time to look at the McDonald's one. And I never saw this before, but it looks like Chick-fil-A, sort of. This is the inside, spicy sauce. It seems like everybody's doing this. McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, they all copied Chick-fil-A, McDonald's, Popeyes, Wendy's, with the 2 pickles and the regular and the sauce, and that's it. But you can see McDonald's looks, Popeyes a little spicy. You can see McDonald's looks sort of the same. Just the chicken and the 2 pickles. Wait, was it 2 pickles? This one actually has 3 pickles. So I guess that's a bonus. But comparing in size, Popeye's is obviously the larger sandwich. And it has the bigger piece of chicken in it. But does it have the better flavor? And the prices are the same for these. This one is $3.99, and this one is $3.99. So obviously, if you're hungry, like if you're really hungry and you don't care about like taste, you would just get this off of like the bat, like off the bat. So let's try it. I'm gonna try Popeye's first. See the bite. Popeye sandwich is too good. It has good flavor, and the spicy one is a little spicy, but not extremely spicy. And the pickles is perfect tangy. And the meat sandwich is very crunchy, but there's parts of it that is a little crunchy and a little like soft. But out of 10, that's like a good 8 or 9. And the spice is not even that like a regular sandwich is not spicy, but this is actually sort of spicy. Probably too spicy for some people, I know. But yeah, Popeye sandwich, always a W. Now we can try the new McDonald's sandwich with their sauce and their brioche bun, but the patty's a little smaller. To be honest, I mean, it's alright. The sauce is a little wonky, but I mean, I guess the bread tastes good. I don't like the sauce that much. The sauce is a little, tastes sort of like honey mustard or something like that. It comes with a little spice, but not as good as the Popeye's one. I already know this one is not better than Chick-fil-A, but the Popeye's one, it's comparable to Chick-fil-A, but this one, yeah, I mean, I mean, the pickles are alright, but it's like a regular sandwich, to be honest. I mean, it tastes good for McDonald's. It's not like it tastes bad or anything, but it's not better than Popeye's. There's no way. Popeye's just has a very flavorful spice flavor, and it's way bigger and way juicier. I'll show you insides. See the difference? This one is very juicy and larger, and then this one is like it's like a school lunch. But McDonald's, your sandwich is not even that bad. It's just not as good as Popeye's, to be honest, unfortunately. But that Whopper that you had the other day, that I had the other day, was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you. I dropped a fry.
McDonald's had a Whopper?
Oh, I said Whopper? I meant that
That was Big Mac?
yeah, Big Mac. That Big Mac that you had. I don't know what you got. the sauce on this from, but that Big Mac sauce is what you really should have put on this. But to be honest, I like the regular McDonald's sandwich better. Like the regular one with like mayo and lettuce.
How much do you give it out of a 10?
Out of 10, I give this one good. Like I give this one like a 8.9. I give this one 9. 9. And Chick-fil-A's Deluxe is 10. If they had cheese and lettuce to this, probably 10. This one I give a what should I give you? Low key? I don't know. It's not really bad. This one I'll give you 5 if I'm hungry. But to be honest, it's not horrible. It's not inedible. Yeah, but I'm probably just gonna buy the regular chicken sandwich if I go to McDonald's. To be honest, this one is not even all that compared to this, at least. As you can see, and we got our Popeye's fries here, and I still think Popeye's fries is better than McDonald's fries because of the seasoning. Snappers has the best fries though. Shout out Snappers. So should I eat the whole sandwich? Okay. So guys, my conclusive review is the Popeye's sandwich is up here in taste and flavor and size and price. And the McDonald's sandwich is somewhere out of bounds. But McDonald's, you can go back in the lab, make something new like the Big Mac that will always be a hit. But this one, yeah, this is an L. Sorry for you. And that concludes that. So, if you guys want me to try more new like newish type of like sandwiches and stuff like that and do more comparison videos, make sure to drop it in the comments below. And I think my dad wanted me to do some Arby's, something like that. So keep your head up for that. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Keep your head up. And just keep doing all that. And that's it for this video. Popeye's took the W on this one. McDonald's, you took a horrible L. Like, you got blown out in this. I don't even know. I didn't see any reviews saying. I didn't watch any people review it before, so I don't even know if people are saying McDonald's is good. I think I saw one where they put McDonald's at number 2 over I don't know, over Chick-fil-A or something. I was like, that guy was tripping. But yeah, that's my final rating. Popeye's wins this one. So that's it for this video. Make sure to tune in next time on What Josh Eats. Peace.